The topic is overflow. This is just a concept, and this is very useful concept for interviews. In interviews, they may ask questions directly upon overflow or questions they may frame depending on overflow. And this is a general topic, not just related to C++. In every programming language, this concept applies. So for understanding overflow, we have to revise few concepts that we have studied in previous videos. Then I'll explain you what does it mean by overflow. So for that, I have taken an example. Here I have a character type variable and x is having value 127. How many bytes character takes? It takes 1 byte. 1 byte means 8-bit. So this is 1 byte. And I am showing all the bits, that is 0 to 7. This is least significant bit and this is most significant bit. Then how data is actually represented in memory? It is represented in binary form. So this number 127 is stored in binary form. So how it looks like in binary form? This is the conversion from decimal number to binary number. We have already learned this. So I have got the digits as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 7 ones. So 7 ones and leading bit that is most significant is 0. So you should be knowing this one, that already we have discussed this one. I have said that this is sign bit, right? If it is 0 means number is positive. If it is 1 means number is negative. So right now it is 0 means it is positive and it is positive 127. Then one more thing we should know, what is the range of values that a character can store? See, characters are alphabets we use, but we don't write alphabet in the memory. We write ASCII codes for them, right? So what are the range of values? It is from minus 128 to 127. So range of character is minus 128 to 127, right? Now coming to the concept. Let us understand the concept. See, right now the variable is having the largest value possible, that is maximum value. Beyond that, we cannot have any value in the character type variable. If we have it, then what happens? So right now it is 127. I will make it as plus plus x if I write this statement. Then what it will become? It will try to go to the next value which is not there. So what happens to the data? This will become minus 128. When you try to cross this value beyond this one, so it will come down to this one. And vice versa. If it is minus 128 and if you try to reduce it, decrease it by 1, then it will go to 127. So it's more like cyclic. So if you come from 127, beyond that, it will be minus 128. And from this side, it will go to 127. Just like a hand in a clock. Like this is 12 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now if a hand is here, then if you move next, it will not go to 13, it will go to 1. And if the hand is here, if you move this side, it will not go to 0. That is less than 1 is 0, but it will come to 12. So just like cyclic, it is cyclic behavior. So this is called as overflow. So when the value is more than the capacity, so it will take the values again from the beginning. That is overflow. Why it happens, how magically it takes the values, that I will show you here. See, suppose this is the byte and already I have a number here. Now in this, let us add 1 because plus plus means it will increase by 1. So if it is increased by 1, if 1 is added to this, what will be the result? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means 1, 0 in binary form. So this is 0, carry 1. Then again 1 plus 1, 2. So this is 0 and carry 1. This is 0, carry 1. So for all this we get carry 1, right? So this is 0, carry 1. This is 0, carry 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and this is 1. So what is this bit? Sign bit. So it has become 1, means it is negative. Yes, this is a negative number. But what is the value? Let us check the value. This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and this is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. So yes, this is 128. See, the value is 128 and also the same bit is acting as a sign bit. So it is minus 128. So this is minus 128. See, this is how it became. Magically it has came on to minus 128. We were at 127, then we tried to go to the next value and it has came down into the beginning of the range, that is minus 128. Now one more thing, actually the number that we got is in 2's complement, because negative numbers are stored in 2 complement. It is in 2's complement. So if I want to get the original number, then again I should find out its 2's complement. But in this case, I'll get back the same number. You can do it by yourself. Find 2's complement. You will get back same thing again. So I am not doing it. Directly I am showing you that is minus 128. Now let us display this value and check it. So if I write Cout X, if I write X, it will display a symbol, that is character symbol for this one. Like there is minus 128, it will get some junk character will appear. I want numeric value, that is minus 128. So typecast it as integer and display it. So integer of X. Now you can see minus 28 on displayed on the screen. So that's all. This is the topic of overflow, right? I have shown it only for the character, but it's same thing applies on integer also and long integer also. It's the same thing. So there is a demo available in the next video. You can see the demo. The same thing I will demonstrate and show you. There are no programs. We don't use it in the program. Just it's a concept. Okay. So that's all in this video.